Good morning.
Hello. Yeah. Oh my God. Well, that's what he's working on now. He came over. Get some talk about that. Okay.
So then you have our frameless line, which is kind of parallel but basically in a style. It's all those. Absolutely. Anything to drink, you're welcome to try.
Oh, all right.
All right, now check this one out.
And then you open the door. Super cool idea.
They say this is a kid's kitchen. Oh, cute. With a small. Wow. Oh my gosh, amazing. Small sink in there, cabinets, drawers.
This one's probably my favorite because it's a 5-piece of a full overlay. For example, and you'll have the color, the door style. You can put your hardware against that.
Okay. Oh my God. I wonder why. Oh, do you guys do installation as well, or you just
We
sell
can.
it too?
We can. We do have an install team. And our installers can do complete remodels as well. But it all depends on what you ask for. We don't automatically quote it, but if you want it, we can throw it over you. We have an amazing install team.
Dada found one of your favorite stuff.
Oh, yeah, fine. Oh, the sound.
Hello, sauna.
This one is an infrared one. And if you look to your left, here is a good old.
What?
It even has that nice cedar smell.
Oh yeah, smells good.
Mm-hmm.
Because that's what I do. I put my MP3
Oh my
on and I go in the sauna. I can stay in there for hours.
Oh my god, that is awesome.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
They're so fun.
What is your dream?